Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your password for Amazon Prime Video. So let's get right into it. Once you've logged into the Prime Video service on your desktop, what you can do is hover over your profile icon, then go into account and settings. From here, you'll arrive at this screen right here. Under your account, you'll see your account details as well as your membership details, and what you're going to want to do is click here and go edit on Amazon. This will open up another window for Amazon, and here you'll be able to change your information. Once you log in again, you'll have the option to change everything here. You can click edit, then go enter your current password and also new password and re-enter the new password. And then once you've done that, click save changes, and then you can change your password that way. Now if you've forgotten your Amazon Prime password, what you can do is when trying to log in, you can just click I forgot my password and then go through the entire process there. Enter your email address, and if you have two-step verification, I'm pretty sure you'll need to enter that as well. And then you'll receive an email with a password reset link, which you can use to enter a new password, and then that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.